Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where's the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked? This is probably the most famous tongue twister in the English language. We'll be using it to practice pronouncing vowel sounds in English. The E sound in Peter, the I sound in Piper, the I sound in picked, and the E sound in peck. Make sure you watch and imitate the shape of my mouth while saying each vowel. E, E, E. Peter, Peter. I, Piper. I. Picked, picked. Peck, peck. I'll be breaking this down into 4 separate lines. I'll say each line very slowly so you can learn this tongue twister. First line, Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where's the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked? Right, so that's it. Take care. I hope you all have a great day. Please like and subscribe, and see you soon. Bye.